Okay, Matthew, would you like to pick 3 numbers?
That one, please.
6.
That one, please.
8.
And
2. 682. Okay, so you have got 1, 8, 5, 3, 50 and 75. Okay, ready? Go.
8 times 5.
75
times 5.
75 times 8
Equals 40.
Equals 40. Equals 40.
600. 40 times 8
Then let's just
is
800.
320.
320.
40
times
times
56.
8.
And stop.
No.
No, an error.
What did you get? 600.
Did you get an answer?
No.
No. Did your group get an answer?
675.
675. Okay, how did you get 675?
75 times 8 equals 600.
75 times 8 equals 600, yep.
Then we added the 50 equals 650.
Yep.
Then we did 5 times 3, which is 665.
So 5 times 3 gave you what?
15 each, and then we added that, which is 665.
Excellent, well done. Okay, so you were the closest because your group didn't get an answer. So 3-2 to your group, well done, excellent. What I wanted to do now then is we're going to go on to the main part of the lesson, our main activity. And as I said before, we're going to be carrying on with our work on shape that we've been doing in the main lessons, and we've been looking at area and perimeter of rectangles, haven't we? Yeah? If I have this rectangle up here, can you tell me, anybody, how I calculate the area of my rectangle? Josh?
9 times 13.
9 times 13. Okay, so what have you done there? You've multiplied what by what?
The length by the width.
Okay, so 9 times 13. Can anybody tell me what that makes? Quite tricky in your head, isn't it? Matthew?
117.
117, excellent, well done. 117 what?
Metres squared.
Metres squared, because in our units for when we do area, always metres squared, aren't they? Or centimetres squared, or whatever we're using, okay? Well done. Can you tell me a formula that we could write down for how we work out the area of a rectangle? Richard?
L times B equals A.
Can you tell me why you've done that?
Length times breadth equals area.
Excellent, well done. So length times the breadth equals the area. Excellent, well done. Okay. What about the perimeter? How do we calculate the perimeter? Josh?
9 plus 9, 13 plus 13.
Okay, so 9 plus 9 plus 13 plus 13. So what's our perimeter? Jake?
44 metres.
44 metres, everybody happy with that? Yep, 44 metres, well done. Can you give me a formula then for how we calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? Fronty.
L at B at L at B.
Okay, so we could write L plus B plus L plus B. How could we write it more simply? Jake, do you know?
L times 2 at B times 2.
Yeah, you're on the right lines. Can you tell me how we'd write that more simply than that?
In brackets, you can put L plus B, but in front you could put 2.
Okay, so we can just actually write 2L plus 2B equals P. Okay, because when we write the number in front of the letter here, that means that we're multiplying it by that number. Okay? Well done. Okay, so also in our lessons we've been doing as a whole class, we've been looking at the area of compound shapes, haven't we? So I've got here a compound shape. How would I go about working out the area of my compound shape? You can tell me. What would I do first? Jake?
If you're trying to work out the whole shape, you'd do 11 times 14.
Okay, so you'd work out the area of the whole rectangle first, so 11 times 14. Who can tell me what that gives me? Richard, you know? Sorry, Richard.
154 metres squared.
154 metres squared, excellent, well done. What would I do next? Matthew, do you know what I'd do next?
You'd have to work out the part of the shape that's missing.
Okay, so we need to work out the area of this part of the shape here that's missing. How would I do that?
Well, you know the bottom bit is 5 because you've got the 2 3s at the top that make 6 and the 11 at the bottom. And 11 minus 6 is 5.
Excellent, well done. So we know this is 11, these are 3, so this must be 5. Well done, okay. So we've got 5. What about this bit here?
And then you times 5 by 7.5.
Okay, so 5 times 7.5 equals... You can tell me what it equals. Richard, do you know?
37.5
37.5.
metres squared.
Okay. What do I do next, Jake?
You take 37.5 off 154.
Okay, so 154 take away 37.5. You can tell me what that gives me. If you need to use your whiteboard, you can do. Jake's ready. Oh, we've got some different answers here. Okay. Matthew, what did you get?
117.5.
117.5. Didn't we get anything different?
116.
116.5. Okay. So if we do it together, the way I work it out is to do, I don't work it out like this, I've got 154, take away the 37 from 54, what does that give me? Take away 30.
117.
117? Yep, okay. And now I've got the 0.5 left, okay. So I need to work out how to take away my 0.5. What would I do next?
117 minus 0.5
Yep.
116.5.
Okay, so 117 minus 0.5 equals 116.5. So my answer is 106. The area for the area of this compound shape is 116.5 metres squared. Well done. Okay. So is everybody happy with how we work out the area of compound shapes? Yeah? Brilliant. Okay.